What's up, guys? Ryan here with FamilyandFi.com. Today we're going to show you how to set up the perfect budgeting planner. If you haven't done so already, go to our free resource library at FamilyandFi.com and download your copy. When you first open it up, the budgeting guide, you'll see a link at the top for Family and Fi that will go directly to our website. Below at the click here link, this link will take you directly to our YouTube channel. And down below that, these are directions to personalize your budgeting planner. So let's get started by clicking on the blue budget report tab below. As you can see, when you click on this tab, it'll take you to your annual budget report. The annual budget report is broken into three sections: your totals, your incomes, and your expenses. As you can see at the top, it is broken into months 1 through 12 as well. All the cells with text in it can be customized to your exact needs. The graphs on the right will automatically update when numbers are entered into these cells. Now wait, you might be asking, Ryan, do I really need to put numbers into each one of these cells? The answer to that is absolutely not. We want to make this budgeting planner as easy as possible for you so that you will stick with this planner. All of these cells on the budgeting report or your annual budgeting report area will automatically update for months 1 through 12 at the bottom. So let's click on the month 1 tab at the bottom. Before we get started with month 1, let me make a suggestion to you. Take your income and your expenses from the previous month so that you can get a base of where your financial needs are. And as you can see, month 1 is broken into 4 different areas. You have your monthly income, you have your monthly expenses, you have a summary area, and also you have a chart that will graph the percentages of each area that you're putting money into or you're getting money from. And again, each area that has text in it is completely customizable to your needs. So let's jump into your monthly income from last month. So employment 1, and you can relabel this the name of your job, the name of your business, whatever that is for you. So let's say we brought in $3,000 last month. Your spouse or partner from employment 2 also brought in $3,000. And let's say you have a side hustle as well that you bring in $200 from your previous month. Next, let's move into the expense area. And again, these items are completely customizable to your needs and what your expenses are coming from. So let's enter in some amounts. Let's say your rent or mortgage was $1,200 for the month. You spent $400 in gas. Your electric bill was $300. Insurance cost you $500 for the month. Your cell phone package, whatever that might be, was $350 with the extended data package on it. Your internet cost you $70. Food for the month was close to $1,000 for last month. Your car payments are $800 between both cars you have in the household. Your healthcare costs for the month were $600. Alright, so it was a holiday or a birthday month and we wanted to go a little overboard this month because it was something special. So we spent $1,000 on gifts for the month. You had a clothes shopping trip where you spent $100. And you went to the movie a couple times with your significant other. So we'll put another $100 in. Next, let's move on to the summary. Let's say you do have some sort of savings of $100 in a high yield savings account right now. So as you can see for the month, we're negative $120 from your previous month. So as we look at this chart on the right, you will see that 50% of your money went into some sort of debt or expenses, where 49% of your money came into your checking. So let's go ahead back to the budget report and see where we're at. So as you can see, month 1 has completely been filled out, along with all of your charts. However, when we look at the net total, we see a negative balance of $220. And this will populate in red as a good visual indicator for you. So now that we put in our previous month's income and expenses, it is a good time to take a step back and see where we can start cutting some of these expenses out so that we can start having a positive cash flow into our bank accounts. This is where your budgeting planner will start to give you control over your finances. As we start going through months 2 through 12, you get to start telling your money that you worked so hard for where to go. So let's say we're in month 2 now and we can start entering our current income. Let's click on the month 2 tab at the bottom. So let's say employment 1 brought us $3,000. Employment 2 brought us $3,000. And our side hustle this month brought us $200. Our rent is still $1,200. But we're not making as many trips now, so our gas went down to $200. We're not using as much electric in the house now, so our electric went down to $200. Insurance this month, after some renegotiations, dropped to $200. Our phone bill is now $100 after calling the phone company to renegotiate. Internet service is $50. We cut down on some of our food expenses. Maybe that's through couponing or some other technique that you can use to cut down that food bill. So we spent $500. Car payment, $800. Healthcare, $300. And this month we decided we're going to cut out the gifts, clothes, and entertainment. So $0. And we were also able to take some of this money from our cash flow and put it into our emergency fund or savings account. So let's say we have $1,000 in our cash balance now. As you can see, our cash flow is updated to $36.50, and so did our graph. So we have more income coming in now that we have taken a step back from that previous month 1 and refocused our money back into our pockets. So now all of our percentages have updated as well. So let's go back to the budgeting report tab on the bottom. As you can see, month 2 column is completely filled out. Your graphs are filled out on the right, and we now have a positive cash flow balance in our net income. As we go through months 3 through 12, the same exact thing we need to do. Take a look at your previous month, which in this case will now be month 2, and see where you can start putting money and paying down debt. So month 3 through 12, exactly the same setup, and it will automatically update it in your budget report tab. And that's it. That's how you set up the perfect budgeting planner. Budgeting reports are so important for your financial success. They will save you time and money, give you control over your finances, allow you to take a step back and refocus your money into your pockets and out of the banks, and help you reach your financial goals. You can read more about budgets at familyandfi.com, and I'll also link it below. We hope that this video and our perfect budgeting planner will help you reach your financial success. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos to come. Also, check out our blog at familyandfi.com, where you can follow us on our journey to financial independence.